man killed in a suspected stabbing in Donegal on Monday night has been named as Stephen McCahill, a well-known businessman and a former general election candidate. The 66-year-old, a married father of two, died following a fatal assault at his home on the outskirts of Ardara in the early hours of Monday morning. Emergency services, including Gardaí and paramedics, were called to the scene at around 3:50 a.m, and Mr Cahill was pronounced dead shortly afterwards. An investigation was immediately launched, and a man in his 30s, known to the deceased, was later arrested at another location. He remains in Garda custody and is being questioned over the fatal assault. Gardaí believe Mr McCahill suffered fatal knife injuries, and a post-mortem examination will be carried out to confirm the exact cause of death. Detectives are continuing to investigate the circumstances surrounding the attack and believe the male suspect arrived at the victim's home in the early hours of the morning before the assault. The property is located around 20 kilometres north of Killybegs in the southern part of the county. Stephen McCahill was well known in the town of Ardara and throughout Donegal for his involvement in several businesses and as a community activist. In 2011, Mr McCahill stood as an independent candidate in that year's general election, receiving almost 2,000 first preference votes, but missed out on a Dáil seat. In a statement on Monday morning, a Garda spokesperson said that Gardaí in Donegal were investigating all of the circumstances surrounding the death of the man at a location near Ardara in the early hours of Monday, 5th of January. The spokesperson added that Gardaí continue to appeal to anyone with information to contact the Garda Confidential line or any Garda station. You can follow this story on the Irish Independent.